Highgate, Highgate. Oh no, Highgate. High Gate food over there, so we're gonna walk down Highgate and see. Battery 20 something percent. Dream moment card it. Shabby mini market. Shabby mini market. You see they are fixing these houses, these flats around here. I ain't been on Highgate no, Highgate that's up the road from me. Free prescription collection shops. Yeah. Highgate for people. Let me look a park over there so for the kids them and the community play. Yeah. We're up in a Highgate. Damn, I ain't got no much memory. Fucking hell. I got extra in my bag. I ain't use it no while. I got backup memory card. I should film the whole Highgate on that. I don't think this 9 gig gonna do Highgate. I see how far my virgin woman used to live. But yes, people might say Highgate look right now. I noticed everyone neighborhoods now they're putting them bikes, electric bikes. I remember them electric cars, I forgot what their name was. They used to just park up all over the road. Just like the bikes, you just come, log in the app and go to them and drive away. I guess they probably start losing money. That was a good looking idea and a good looking thing, you know, but yeah, it looked like they wasn't making no money because they just disappear completely. If anybody remember them little electric cars, and people used to just cars. Remember my son, he drive a couple of half of them. It's like you pick it up here, log in, you find where you want it, just like the bike, electric bike. Go drive, park it up somewhere, left it. Go about your business. Somewhere else in the location they want it, they come grab it. But yeah, them flats here. High-rise, Wilcott, resident parking. You know, you see the difference between Edgbaston and this. You know, no private parking, just a residential parking. Yeah, it's gone cold now. The sun going in. I know it was fucking cold at first. And now it's getting hot. You see, the sun was out, now the sun gone in now. But yeah, welcome to Highgate. And my memory is going. I'm going to have to see how much it really. I hope it's going to go down the road. They got that big church around there. I can't even see it. It's all the way around there. Must be some other road around there. They should build it. Look. Flats done, mashed down, coming apart, words gone. Yeah, that's that. That's a big church. It's up around there. Yeah, let's go walk and look around there. My memory done. I'm watching it. Oh. I like this old building. They put chain up. You can't pass. Some part around here nice still. Some part run down. That's a big old building right there. You see, this part look nice, not too bad. I didn't even know this was around here. James Samuel Place. Like I'm on a whole different road. I'll get the grips of this building. See how tall it is. Let me see what they're saying. So you can see. Kate Elizabeth Bunch, 1856 to 1927, prominent Birmingham artist of the art and craft movement who with her sister Maya create fine received for a chapel in this church. Okay, so they create something for the church. I don't know what they create. It's a big ass church. Let me go to the front and see. It look like it closed. It haven't been maintaining. Church of England, St. Alban, Malta. Look. Yeah, big nice building. Old ancient building. Playground, I don't know what's over here. 3 gig left. Now go down and go around. I don't know, I just want to see what this building on there look, and then I'll walk by the shops. Nice building on there, architect. She ain't cold. We got the nice park. Clean. I don't know what's that over there. Yeah, rubbish. One clean. I don't know what's this building. I just want to see what's this building about. Yeah, time for me to take out this memory and put in my next memory. I don't know. Let's see what's this about. It's a school, academy. Arc St. Alban Academy. Yeah, it's academy. I don't know what's for. Nice building. Highgate Baptist Church over here. I guess that big church ain't inactive. This new building, new church. That's a big cross at the front. Couple of years old, I don't know. But yeah, I even know about this building. It's a new, you can tell it's a new building on there. Build up. Yeah, I got 1 gig left. Is that road lead around there? I don't know. A little dirty around there, so I don't walk around this blood. Highgate for your people. Yeah, I need changes. Let me change my memory. Highgate, stay around Highgate. I left around the shops them there. Zahara Child Care Center. Yes, okay, this lady walk up around us. Stopping, man. You see how long it lasts on 4K. I get back to your people. See how long? 10. Highgate, and them look up. Unwanted thugs there. But yes, Highgate people. Good. In the area. Look up at me. Try catch look a bit. See him here. My card full. Staff car park. Upper Highgate.